Good morning, you guys. Hope you are having a great day. So I am up pretty early because the delivery guys are outside. They are prepping my bachelor chest to deliver them inside, you guys. I am so excited. I honestly almost overslept, but the night before I did reach out to my assistant to ask him if there was any way that he could make it in the morning. He told me yes, so I was actually awakened by him. So right now what I'm doing in the bathroom is just getting myself ready for the morning. I had flexi rods in my hair and I took the flexi rods out. Now I'm wiping down my face and I'm going to be going in with the Curology in order to wash and then also moisturize my face. It has still been working, you guys. I do love the Curology. When it comes to the Curology, I notice when I'm not using it that I will have breakouts. But if I use it before I go to bed and all that, the breakouts will definitely minimize themselves. And I think it has a lot to do with being consistent. Now I'm going in with the Derma, just kind of spraying my face. It's a cucumber spray mist, and I'm just kind of patting it into my face. And that is it, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Hope you are having a great day now that I have gotten everything out of the way. I am really excited because today my bachelor chests are going to be coming in and I'm just so excited about it. I saw them in a showroom about a month and a half ago and I already wanted them. But when I saw the color in the showroom and just the overall finish, it was the smaller version. I was like, oh gosh, yes, this is exactly what I want. So I felt a lot more comfortable about ordering them. So I did. I pray right before Christmas, the dining room table is supposed to come. I'm going to call them today to find out exactly the date of that delivery because I just don't want any surprises. But after that, everything else is going to be coming in between like January and February. But I am so excited about these bachelor chests, you guys. They are so freaking beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and show and share that with you guys. So, oh my gosh. All right, you guys. Empty space is about to be filled. You made me so nervous. I was like, what?
Well, I mean, like, they were just turned a different way.
Okay, because I was like, it's supposed to be the same size. The same everything. Do you guys have Cash App so I can tip you?
Yeah.
Do you guys have a Cash App or
No,
something?
I ain't got one.
Do you have
They ain't
one?
got feet, bro.
Yeah, I said they got feet.
They don't have feet? No, they flat.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They got the little feet.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Sound like no white women.
You said what?
Sound like no white women. They get stuck. Oh, I'm so excited.
Well, black people can sound like that too.
I heard that. Open the drawer.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a soft close. So, all right. Oh my gosh, it's a partition. I do not remember seeing this. Okay. Oh, soft close. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy. Okay, Kevin. Oh my God, they are a thing of beauty. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. They are gorgeous.
Girl, shut up. Oh my.
They are so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm a big girl now.
Oh, those are perfect.
They are perfect. Oh God, they're so good.
Wow.
Let me make my bed real quick. It's so perfect. Oh my God. And it's measured perfectly. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh gosh.
It look like it's heavy too.
It is heavy. You see him struggling up the stairs. You guys, I apologize. Y'all gonna hear a whole lot of oh my God, cause I didn't see this. No. There's a nightstand. There's a bathroom chest. There goes the bed. I just marked the 65 so you guys can see how tall the bed is gonna be. Cause a lot of times when I do these videos and I'm talking about things and you guys just see separate pieces, I want you to start putting the whole entire vision together. So the bed is gonna go here, which is gonna be pretty tall. And the nightstands, which are bathroom chest. The lamp, which I love the dark colors peeking through in the marble. Just feels like a very adult room. And then go down into the rug. And over here with the console. Oh, this is everything. This is everything. Oh my God, this is everything. This is everything. Oh, my bed is ordered, you guys. Let me show you the fabric. This right here is the fabric for my bed. And it is a performance fabric. So that's going to look gorgeous. I want you guys to see that. Because see, this is what it's going to look like next to the bed. This color here. And then you can see what it looks like with the pillows. So I did go extremely light. But again, this is a performance fabric. So I don't have to worry about it getting too dirty. For the most part, I can clean it. So it's not like a huge deal. But you guys, your girl is excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, this view alone is to die for. Oh my God. Hi. Hi.
Girl.
Oh my. Hi. I'm a little shy. Oh my gosh, they look so good.
Do you feel good?
I feel good. And so let me just tell y'all, the reason why I feel good is because, I don't know, I think there was still a part of me that was like, I was going to order the other nightstands that's at the other house.
Okay.
I was like,
The original.
the original. I was
Yes.
like, man, I did this. I was like, I want the same nightstand. I want the same bed. I want this and this. And so I was just about to order it. This was like a few months ago.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was like, you know what? No. Like, create your own thing. Look for something else. Because I was really in love with that chest.
But I feel like it was classic for that look.
Of course.
Yeah.
I mean, with everything.
No, they were all
with
transitional, but.
Right, but even with the office, when I brought it here, it was nice, but it didn't fill the wall the way it filled the wall of the other house. Right now, when I see in that house, it's where it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? So everything is where it's supposed to be. So I was like, I want to find something else. So that's why I was like, I'm going to stop and I'm going to give myself time to acclimate in this house and figure out what I want and how I want to feel. So then I was just like, okay. And then I didn't even come across these. I came across the smaller version.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, I'm not putting any more furniture in this room but this, so I can go bigger. Oh, you guys, it's such a situation, a grown woman situation. Ah, when this bed come, baby.
Mom,
Yes.
there is no further social studies.
Okay, but you have the paper to write.
Yeah.
Gentle reminder, you not being for everyone is a divine blessing. Do not get distracted by folks who are not meant to see your vision. How I land on this right now, today. Let me tell you, because I saw something that said, The universe has ways of speaking with you. The universe has ways of speaking with you. Pay attention. So it's like pay attention to billboards, pay attention to words and signs that you see throughout your day. And I have been paying attention. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe this is my room. This is it. Video is over. As I stated, I did order the bed. It'll probably be here in 3 months, 2 months, something like that. Maybe a little bit longer because I think they're contemplating closing North Carolina. If they close North Carolina, I ain't finna see my furniture for a minute. But at least it's ordered, so it's on the inline. It's in line, so that's the good thing. That's one. What else? Yeah, the room looks good. I'm very happy. I think I wasn't going to, but oh no, I have drapery coming. I gotta see what it looks like. I feel like this little corner right here, I could probably do a little plant. But I ain't no plant person, and I don't want to just be pretending to just have plants in my house, cause you know what I'm saying. So yeah, no, the bed is gonna be the last physical. Let me before I say something. Oh, and then accessories. So I mean, I guess the accessories is not furniture, but like yeah, the bed's the last thing, and then I'm not putting nothing else in here.
Girl, that was quick.
I feel like it was quick.
It was.
But the thing is, when your house is smaller, it takes less to fill it up. But when you got a big house, you got to get bigger pieces. Those bigger pieces cost more money.
I think you did a great job balancing your personal taste and mixing the needs of your home. People tendency have to buy big homes and they don't properly scale them. Y'all not ready for that talk.
They're not ready for that
y'all
talk.
not ready for that talk.
They're not ready.
I feel like
I
you
see
did
a lot
a
of
great
people
job.
do that. They get really nice. I mean, really nice,
Great bones.
beautiful, well designed, custom, and it's like I'm gonna go to Wayfair. Like, what did you just say?
You have to scale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, this was absolutely amazing. I hope you guys like my nightstands. I'll leave a link down below. So they're not, I keep saying nightstands, but they're bedside tables, honestly, because these things are massive. They are bachelor chest. They're from the company Lexington, which is actually the same exact brand from the previous bachelor chest that was at the previous house. I know Lexington makes absolutely amazing furniture. If you guys saw my furniture list of like high-end furniture, they're on there. The overall quality, I want to say each bachelor chest is about anywhere from like 80 to about 100 and something pounds in terms of like picking this thing up, and I want to say more to the 100. For decor, I'm gonna do an accent table with the chair by the window. I think I may do a C table for this area right here, just so if I'm sitting I can, you know, perch the drink down. So C table, small accent table over there. I have to get a rug mat for under here, but I have a few, 2 to 3 months before the bed come, because once the bed come I want to have the mat up under here. I'm not trying to move anything off the console right now to put on the nightstands, because tomorrow I have to go with the measurements with the brown paper and take it to the glass company. That way they can cut the piece of glass to go on top to protect the top. So once I do that, I'll start actually adding things. I added a lamp today because the lamps have felt up underneath them, so I don't have to worry about it scratching, but I'm probably gonna take them down. But I'm gonna go tomorrow to get the cut glass. They should probably have it the same day. If I go early tomorrow, like 9, they probably will have it before they close. When I look at this, it still gives me like a very sophisticated, sexy, young type of vibe for sure. So I do love it, and I'm excited just to kind of grow in this room. But you guys have a really good day, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, today's like I died. Look, they like, can you go live so we can see it?